Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to open new file in Google Sheet document. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document file. Now we show that is the Google Sheets. First, hit the new is the page. Then open a new file. Is the going to the file menu option. Now for click, then click for the new option. Now click for the separate sheet option. That is now for click. Then show the new file. Open is the Google Sheets document. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.